Road trip.
We're going to Nashville.
To open.
Yeah, it was
Wow. Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free. And we are actually here right now, believe it or not, in the middle of this pandemic. We're here in Nashville, Tennessee.
Yes.
And we have come down here to meet some new friends of ours.
Yep.
And I'll let them introduce themselves in a minute, but these are friends of ours from Idaho that we met online, and we found out they were coming here, so we made the trip down because we really wanted to meet them. And I love their channel. This is Marty and Julie and Seth.
And Tux.
And Tux. Oh, that's so cute because he looks like a tuxedo.
So tell us a little bit about your channel.
All right, well, our channel name is Martin Johnson Off-Grid Living, and we make videos about homesteading. We started a homestead from scratch last year, actually. We moved on to our property in Idaho, 7 acres. It was forest and trees. And Jules, where did we live for the first several months?
As we were beginning to break ground, we lived in tents. So we just put up some tents and yeah, just made do.
Our kind of people.
I saw the video that you did when you went there from California.
Yeah.
You just arrived there in the woods, and
Yeah.
there was
That's right.
there was a porta potty, and you said we're going to set the tents up over
Yeah.
there.
That's
Yep.
what we
I
did.
think that's awesome.
Yeah, at first, right, we were there for the summer. We started building. We were in our tents. The school year started. We homeschool, by the way. And Seth, where'd you do your schoolwork the first few months of school?
In the tents, at the desk.
That's right. We set a tent up in his we set a desk up in his tent, and him and Sarah, our daughter, we just dropped off for college here in Tennessee. She is. They both did their homeschooling in the tents. So it was really fun. Now we've got a cabin built and we're adding on to it. We're building a garage now. We're gardening, prepping, and so all of our videos are centered pretty much around that theme.
So you're in northern Idaho.
Yeah, northern Idaho. We're just about an hour away from the Canadian border in Sandpoint, actually.
It's beautiful country up there. I've been there. I'm dying to take Bill sometime because
Yeah.
it's gorgeous up there.
It's nice for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to go visit them just so we can see Glacier National Park.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. We just came from there actually,
Yeah.
and one of our most recent videos you might have seen we're in the park and showing it. It's beautiful.
Yeah. I can't wait to show Bill.
Yeah.
What do you feel like has been the greatest joy? I'm going to ask you. What do you feel like has been the greatest joy in this whole last year?
Well,
The greatest joy.
I could have asked the greatest hardship, but I'm going to ask.
Moving into the cabin.
moving into the cabin.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
That was a
after
good
living in a
one.
tent
So
for a
maybe
while. How long were you in the tent before you moved into the cabin?
about 5 months.
Yeah, about 5 months. Our goal was to get into the cabin by November 1st. We made that goal, but kind of a secondary goal was to get in before it started snowing.
Sure.
And we didn't make that goal.
Yeah, you're in northern Idaho.
Yeah,
Right.
so there was snowing before we made it into the cabin.
You know, I understand the feeling of, I loved our little tiny place. 250 square feet.
Yeah.
I loved it. But, oh my goodness, it was the most amazing feeling to me in this little house to have a kitchen table. I mean, I felt so blessed. Like I'm in a man. It must have been wonderful for you guys to go from a tent to actually be in a solid
Yeah.
structure like
Yeah,
that.
it
Oh
was
yeah.
nice.
And
With a wood
the-
stove and
Be
Yeah.
all together because we were all Marty and I were in one tent and then the kids were each in their individual tent. So then it was nice to all be under one roof again. And that's my greatest joy, I think, is being able just to do this as a family. And our kids have learned so much this last year about
Yes.
building, about just being resourceful and content with simple things, you know, clean running water,
Yes.
Yeah.
a hot shower, an indoor toilet, you know.
Woohoo.
Those are some of my greatest joys this last year.
Have you liked it, Seth? Has it been a good adventure?
Yeah, I've learned a lot.
Do you know, I wanted to share this very quickly. Someone did a study one time, and they were just curious, and so they interviewed anonymously teenagers from obviously all over the country, everywhere from detention homes, you know, detention centers, to kids in really wealthy circumstances. And they asked them one question, and they said, if you could change anything in your life, what would it be? And the vast majority of these kids, responding anonymously, absolutely vast majority said, I wish I could have spent more time with my parents.
Really? Huh.
That was the overall honest reaction from all of
Yeah.
these teenagers across the board. So what an incredible blessing for your family to have this whole adventure together as a family.
Yeah.
I think it's awesome.
Do we spend a lot of time together, Seth? Yeah, maybe his is, I wish I didn't spend so much time with my family.
I hope that.
Well, it has been a thorough joy to meet you guys.
Yes.
Well, it's been great to meet you guys too.
We're so glad we came down, and so glad you got what, 5-day drive to get here?
Yeah, it
6 days?
was several. It's about 2,000 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, thank you for letting us know you were coming and
Yeah.
Thank you
giving
for
us the
meeting us.
opportunity.
Well, it was great to meet you.
So there you go. Check it out. Martin Johnson Off-Grid Living.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Yep,
Martin
that's right.
Johnson, Off-Grid Living. Yes.
Yep.
There you go. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Live simple.
Live free. You'll be blessed.
Love you guys. And we'll see you soon.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Great.
This is Nashville, Tennessee.